snow we got. Big storm last night. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, that's my quad under there. My daughter's car. There's the Jeep. There's our car. There's my truck. Oh, birdhouse. A lot of snow. Can't. Oh, there's a bicycle. We'll walk way over here. Oh, look at my back of my truck. I knocked off some snow. The other side. That's the top of my truck. That's a fence across the street. I can't even see it now. Can't even see through it. That's a fence. It looks like a hillside. And there are trees. A roof. Our roof's got a lot of snow. It's my trailer. Come on, buddy. You're not going to need a toy. Now we're going to watch Buddy romp in the snow. Ready, buddy? Okay, good luck. There you go, buddy. Go ahead, boy. Go ahead, buddy. Go to the bathroom right there. I don't care. Oh, boy. Look at my little tree. Fence. You can't even see the fence. Wow. Here, buddy. My buddy's waist high. Alright, I'm signing off. Crazy. So I got my truck somewhat cleared off. But, there. That's my knee right there. And plows plowed down the road. It's going up. It's still snowing too. Our new car. We just got that car. You can't even see it. A little bit of red there.
Look at the line. The line's down right there.
Oh no, there's a power line down there. Oh, all the snow just fell off the truck. Look at this. We're not the only crazy ones out on the road. There's another car here pulling in.
Country Club.
Okay, we're out on Country Club Road. And I hope we're not walking home. Not so fast, honey, because look at the wires, honey.
He's not going to stop at him.
No, because he won't be able to get going again. You got a green light, babe.
Well, that guy had a red light.
Oh. Jeez. We're going to go to the local bar.
I wonder if Beaches is open.
Oh, you think we'll make it on Barnacle? Oh, poor slide. Wipers, honey. Tree. Oh, okay, I got it. Steve installed his house. Steve truck. Oh, look at this.
Oh, wow, it's
Hold
hanging
on, I
low,
gotta zoom
yeah.
out. Hold on. Oh my. Oh my goodness.
That way.
Okay, get your wipers, honey. I'm trying to get a clear picture here. Okay. Winter Wonderland out here. It's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh boy. What's he doing? Trying to get out, or is he getting stuck? Oh, there you go.
Yeah, alright.
You got enough room?
Yeah.
I don't know about you, honey. Oh no. Look at that. Oh my. Those trees. Oh goodness. Oh, I'm trying to make it up this hill. There we go. Coming back down to our house. Marcy, look at the roof. Gee.
Yeah. Going up to the
What is today? February 6th.
6th.
This is the picture I want for my scrapbooking. Oh, wow. Just all along through here. Yeah. You getting it, honey?
Yeah.
You must think we're crazy, these people passing us. Oh, that's a beautiful picture right there. Oh, wow.
Best part right here.
Sure is.
It's behind us now.
That's a beautiful tree.
Oh, I must have got in their spot now.
Oh, good.
Okay, we're home.
Okay.
Some flowers in the spot here.
Yeah. There's the Jeep all covered up in Jamie's cars. Oh, and the trailer, it's holding its weight in snow.